In today's world, energy efficiency is more important than ever, and homeowners in Rockford are increasingly looking for ways to reduce their energy bills while enhancing the comfort of their homes. One of the most effective upgrades you can make to improve energy efficiency is replacing your old windows with modern, energy-efficient windows. Windows play a significant role in maintaining a home's internal temperature, as they are a primary source of heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. In this article, we'll explore how upgrading your windows can help improve your home's energy efficiency, reduce your utility bills, and contribute to a more sustainable home. Why old windows are energy drained. Older windows, particularly those made from single-pane glass, can be a major source of energy inefficiency in your home. Single-pane windows offer little insulation, which allows for heat to escape during cold weather and hot air to enter during warm months. In addition, older windows may have worn out seals, cracks, or gaps around the frames that further increase the likelihood of drafts. This forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, resulting in higher utility bills. Modern energy-efficient windows, on the other hand, are designed to significantly reduce the amount of heat transfer, both into and out of your home. These windows help your home stay warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, making it easier for your HVAC system to maintain a stable temperature and, ultimately, lowering your energy costs. The benefits of double-pane and triple-pane windows. One of the key upgrades that can improve your home's energy efficiency is switching to double-pane or triple-pane windows. These windows consist of 2 or 3 layers of glass with a layer of argon or krypton gas sealed between the panes. This design significantly improves insulation, making it harder for heat to escape during the winter and preventing hot air from entering during the summer. Double-pane windows. These windows are the most common energy-efficient window option and provide a significant boost to your home's insulation. The air or gas between the panes acts as a thermal barrier, reducing the amount of heat transfer. This makes your home more comfortable year-round and lowers the demand on your HVAC system. Triple-pane windows. For even greater energy efficiency, triple-pane windows offer an extra layer of insulation. These are ideal for homes in Rockford, where winters can be harsh and energy efficiency is crucial. While they are more expensive than double-pane windows, the additional cost is offset by the substantial reduction in heating and cooling costs over time. Low-E glass coatings for improved efficiency. Another way to enhance the energy efficiency of your windows is by choosing low-E, low-emissivity, glass. Low-E coatings are thin, invisible layers of metal oxide that are applied to the surface of the glass. These coatings reflect heat back into the room in the winter and deflect the sun's heat in the summer, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature without overworking your HVAC system. Winter. Low-E glass helps retain heat within your home during the colder months, preventing heat from escaping through the windows. This is especially beneficial in Rockford, where cold winters can lead to significant heat loss. Summer. In the summer, low-E glass helps reflect heat from the sun, reducing the amount of heat entering your home. This keeps your home cooler without requiring as much air conditioning, saving you on energy costs. Low E glass can be combined with double or triple pane windows for maximum energy efficiency, creating an all-around more effective barrier against temperature fluctuations. Improved window framing materials. The framing material of your windows can also impact your home's energy efficiency. Traditional wooden frames, while attractive, can be prone to warping and expanding with temperature changes, allowing air to leak through. In contrast, more modern framing materials, such as vinyl or fiberglass, are far more energy efficient and durable. Vinyl frames are low maintenance and provide excellent insulation. These frames do not conduct heat or cold, which helps prevent drafts and energy loss. They are also resistant to the elements, which ensures that your windows remain energy efficient over time. Fiberglass frames offer even better insulation than vinyl and are highly durable. These frames are designed to handle extreme temperatures without warping or deteriorating, making them a great choice for homes in Rockford, where the climate can vary dramatically. Choosing windows with energy-efficient frames and quality glass can further enhance the insulation of your home, making it more comfortable and reducing your energy consumption. Proper installation for maximum efficiency. Even the best energy-efficient windows won't perform to their full potential if they are not properly installed. Poor installation can lead to gaps around the window frame, allowing air to leak in and out of your home. This not only reduces the effectiveness of your new windows but can also result in increased energy costs and decreased comfort. To ensure that your new windows provide the maximum energy efficiency, it's important to work with a professional window installer. Experienced installers will ensure that your windows are properly sealed and fitted, maximizing their performance and helping you get the most out of your investment. The long-term savings on utility bills. The initial investment in energy-efficient windows can pay off significantly over time. While energy-efficient windows can be more expensive than traditional windows, the money you save on heating and cooling costs will quickly offset the upfront expense. In Rockford, where temperature fluctuations are common, investing in double or triple pane windows and low E glass can lead to substantial savings on your monthly energy bills. Additionally, homes with energy-efficient windows are more appealing to prospective buyers, which can increase your home's market value. Whether you plan to sell your home in the future or just want to enjoy a more comfortable living space, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a wise investment. Conclusion: upgrading your windows for a more energy-efficient home. Upgrading your windows is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency in Rockford. By choosing double or triple pane windows, low E glass, and high-quality framing materials, you can reduce your energy bills, increase your home's comfort, and make your home more eco-friendly. A professional installation ensures that your new windows perform at their best, providing long-term benefits and significant savings. If you're ready to improve your home's energy efficiency and lower your utility costs, window replacement is a smart investment that will pay off for years to come. Contact a trusted window professional today to start your journey toward a more energy-efficient home.